Earnings season isn't just about individual companies, it's a window into the health of entire industries and the broader economy. Considering results of companies in the same sector or market can reveal trends about the industry or the broader economy. For example, if all consumer goods companies report softer earnings for the same period, market participants can make inferences about the financial health of consumers. Results for an entire season can also offer clues about consumer spending trends, employment indicators, business investment levels, and supply chain health. And since market indices are composed of publicly traded stocks, earnings reports directly affect their values through stock price movements. A single earnings season can impact monetary policy and investment flows. Earnings season can help both individual market participants and policymakers plan for the future. By understanding these broader trends during earnings season, traders and investors can better position themselves for long-term success in the market.